Hey YouTube, it's BMX Dude 2266. This is my first video, as well as my first bike check, so I'm just gonna start off with the frame. It's 2007 fitbike AM series, and then I have ODI neon orange grips. I have stock bars, stock stem, stock forks. I have an alienation plain black rim, shadow conspiracy axle bolts, as well as the stem bolts. I have the shadow conspiracy little ones pegs. I have, oops, sorry, this is my crappy camera. Well, you can't see it, but it's a FSA headset. Shadow conspiracy seat. Animal seat clamp. Shadow conspiracy, I think it's interlock chain in orange. Shadow conspiracy crank and bone sprocket 25 tooth. I also have the alienation plain black rim back here too. The gearing ratio is 9 to 25. Primo V Monster rear tire. Stock front tire, and that's it. Rate, comment, and subscribe. That's it.